Exactly.
So whatever funds, the time doesn't matter when it comes to fundraising.
Yeah, exactly.
As long as the funds are presented or provided, it doesn't matter what time they're provided. As long as whatever the fundraising is intended for is not achieved, anytime the funds reach or reaches, they still help. So we'll try our level best to search for that letter and then see what generous or handsome donation we can provide to you to achieve, to assist the arts club in achieving that goals that you have, because it's not going to be just for you, it's going to be there for generations of students coming along who would also benefit, but it is because of your efforts that also initiated it. So this is something that which we would also be happy and be grateful to be part of. So without saying too much and then taking too much of your time as well, because you've been here for some time and it's Friday, everybody wants to go home early. So I just want to say thank you on the Arts Club, and then obviously coming here now enable us to be able to put faces to the letters that we've been receiving. Now we know we have a lot of young talented people behind that letter, and it does make a difference. It makes one to attach a bit more weight to the different letters that you receive. At least it's not only paper you sent, but the people behind the letters, the letter also came and we are able to see them. And then hopefully we'll recognize the faces from here. And if we see each other in the future, we wouldn't be complete strangers, but more or less acquaintance, you see. So I want to thank you for coming. And then, as I said, we'll look for the letter. If we cannot find it, we'll try and, I think we will get your contact and we'll try to contact you so you can provide us with a copy of it, so we can also still be able to make our contribution towards the objective of the whole event. And on hopefully
Thank you so much.
Next year's one, we look forward to that one, and hopefully we should definitely be in attendance in that one. So we thank you once again.
Thank you for me.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you. And thank you for all the